Hello everyone. You are listening to this audiobook on channel Voice of Purpose by NSS IIT Bombay.
Today, we'll get to know about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, their brief introduction and their significance in today's era, along with a few terminologies associated with them. So, what is a Bitcoin and how does it work? Bitcoin, often described as a virtual or a digital currency, is a type of money which is useful in carrying out a few type of transactions which we might not be able to do so using real money. The current value of Bitcoin is around 3 million rupees. However, its value fluctuates very often. It is basically like an online version of cash. We may use it to buy a few products or services, but not many shops accept Bitcoin and a few countries have banned it altogether. Nevertheless, some countries are beginning to accept its growing influence. Each Bitcoin is nothing but a computer file which is stored in a digital wallet app on a smartphone or on a computer. Just like Paytm, people can send Bitcoin to our digital wallet and likewise we can send them to other people. There are mainly three ways people get Bitcoins. First is to buy them using real money. Second is we can sell products and allow payment only through Bitcoin. And third is that they can be created on the computer. The main reason people use Bitcoin is because it isn't controlled by the government or banks. People can spend them anonymously as all the transactions are encrypted. All cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether use decentralized control. That means that the government can control cryptocurrencies. This is different to centralized electronic money and central banks. A cryptocurrency is a form of digital asset based on a network that is distributed across a large number of computers. This decentralized structure allows them to exist outside the control of government and central authorities. That was a brief introduction. Now let's discuss both the advantages and disadvantages of Bitcoin. The advantages include cheaper and faster money transfer and decentralized systems that do not collapse at a single point of failure. The disadvantages of cryptocurrencies include their price volatility, which means that its value changes very frequently and used in criminal activities. The functionality of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is called blockchain technology. Blockchain is essentially a set of connected blocks. Each block contains a set of network of transactions that have been independently verified by each member of the network. These members are computers which belong to us common people who are involved in Bitcoin mining. Apart from this, people mainly use Bitcoin for trading purposes, that is, buy and sell. This may result in huge profit or huge loss if price goes down. Hence, it is very risky for investors to invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, as their price value is highly volatile and may even rise or fall exponentially. Bitcoin's price has risen exponentially in just over a decade, from less than $1 in 2011 to more than $68,000 in November 21. Its value is derived from several sources, including its relative scarcity, market demand, and marginal cost of production. Thus, even though it is intangible, Bitcoin commands a high valuation with a total market cap of 1.11 trillion as of November 2021. The maximum number of Bitcoins that will ever be produced is 21 million. As of November 21, more than 18.85 million of those Bitcoins have been mined. Moreover, researchers estimate that up to 20% of those Bitcoins have been lost due to people forgetting their private key, dying without leaving any access to instructions, or sending Bitcoins to unstable addresses. Now, concluding this session, even though Bitcoin is virtual and can't be touched, it is certainly real. Bitcoin has been around for more than a decade and the system has proved itself to be robust. The computer code that runs the system, moreover, is open source and can be downloaded and analyzed by anybody for bugs or evidence of nefarious intent. Of course, fraudsters may attempt to swindle people out of their Bitcoin or hack sites such as crypto exchanges. But these are flaws in human behavior or third party applications and not in Bitcoin itself. Here's an interesting fact. According to the study, 10% of the Bitcoin miners hold 90% of the Bitcoin in existence.
So hope you guys had fun. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting audiobooks.